when the price just touched this level, we had macroeconomic news on the USD showing quite bad news. Let me just get it for you. So here it is, yesterday, May 29 at 4:30 p.m. our time. We had the preliminary GDP and the unemployment claims, and this one is a big one. And basically, we were expecting bad news from 226 to 229K, but what happened is that we got 240K, which was even worse. And at this timing, as you can see here, it was at, let me put it on the 30-minute chart, it was at here. So it just got the level, boom, and from here it just dropped like crazy, okay? So what we were expecting as well is the following: to find some good demand zones in order to resist, which basically is this one.